Here Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He made a tray of 80 laddus. Here you can see clearly girl is saying that pack 4 laddus in a small box, means she needed 23 small boxes. But we have to check here that 80 laddus will be possible to pack in these 23 small boxes. Let's multiply and check our answers. 23 into 4, 3 into 4 is 12. 1 carry over 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here the number is greater than 80. 92 is the answer. So, it is not enough. In your textbook, you will write here, no. How many more sweets are needed? Simply subtract 80 from 92. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. How many more sweets are needed? 12 more sweets are needed. In this way, you have to solve this. Next is, Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for packing 60 laddus? Simply divide these numbers. But as you know the table of 12, in the table of 12, 60 comes for how many times? Remember, I am giving you the time. For how many times? 12 into 5 is 60. 2 into 5, 10. 1 carry over. 1 into 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So how many boxes he needed? 5. Here, Neetu bought 15 story books to her class and total students, 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? Again, the table of 15. 15 into how many times? Let's see the answer. Here the number is greater, so you can take these two digits while dividing. 15 into 3 is 45. 0, 0. So here how many students or children have to share the books? 3. 3 children will need to share one book. Second question, a family of 8 people needs 60 kg wheat for a month. How much wheat does this family need for a week? A week it's written. A week means 1 week. In 1 week, how many days are there? 7. Now this you have to remember here. How? Let me show you. 60 kg wheat needed for a family for 1 month. 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. But 1 month has how many weeks? 1 month has how many weeks? There are 4 weeks. How I know? You can divide and check your answer. If we take 30 as a 1 month and divide from 7, the table of 7, you know it carefully. 7 into 4 is 28. So you have to take 4 weeks is equal to how much of wheat needed to this family. 60 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Bring down. 4 into 5 is 20. So question is 15 and remainder is 0. Your answer will be 15 kg in a 1 week. Now here rupees, as you know, you had done previously also. Razia want to change 500 rupees. Change means separate the 500 rupees note with the help of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 20 rupee notes and 5 rupee notes. You have to separate these notes to get 500 rupees. How you will do? Let me show you. You can use the ideas. How many notes will she get if she wants in return? All 100 rupee notes, all 50 rupee notes, all 20 rupees notes and all 5 rupee notes. Let's separate these numbers. 100, then 50, then 20 and 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1. It is possible? No. Here the number is 500. So what you have to do? 100 will be bought for one time. 100 into 1, 100. But the note of 50 for 3 times. So it will be 150 and here 100. And the notes of 20 rupee, it will need it for how many times? 10 times. So your answer will be 200. And here the notes of 5 rupees, we will take for 10 times. Means 5 into 10, it will be 50. Erase these and write here 5. 5 into 10, it's 50. Now simply add these numbers. 5 plus 5, 10. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Yes. Now in this way you can make the change also. Next question. You have to distribute 72 tomatoes equally in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will be there in each? Again division. This chapter is of division and multiplication. 3 into 2, 6. 1. Bring down and 3 into 4 it's 12. I am doing so fast because now you know these answers. So your answer will be 24. 24 tomatoes will be there in each baskets. But while counting, you will get 72 tomatoes. I will show you one method to check the answer. While you are dividing these numbers like this, 3 into 2, it's 6. 1, then bring down 12. 3 into 4, it's 12. 0, 0. Now this is your remainder. This is your question. Let's check the answer by multiplying this number. 24 into 3 plus 0. What you will get? Let me show you. 4 into 3, 12. 1 carry over. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 72 plus 0, 72 only. So your answer is right. In this way, you can check the answers. Next is 350 bricks in a hand cart. Binod found the weight of a brick to be 2 kg. What will be the weight of all the bricks? Weight of a brick. A brick means one brick weight is 2 kg. So 350 brick weight will be how much? Simply multiply 350 into 2. 0 into 2, 0. 5 into 2, 10. 1 carry over. Then 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So the weight will be of all bricks is 700. In your textbook, there are so many sums of divisions, but I will show you only 3 or 5 sums, so you can do it in your notebook. First of all, see the number here 5 and 65. 6 is greater than 5, so we will take 5 into 1 is 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Then bring down this number. In the table of 5, 15 comes for how many times? 3 times. Your answer is done. While doing these sums in your notebook, you have to write also question and remainder at below. Remainder is 0, question is 13. Now I will show you this F number. Now again the table 10 is given and here 9 is given. 1 is so small, so we will take how many digit? 2 digit. 9 into 1 is 9. 0, 10 and here 0. 10 minus 9, 1. Bring down. Here you can use 0 also or wrong also if you are doing. And the table of 9, 18 comes for how many times? 2 times. So answer is 0. Again question will be 12 and remainder will be 0. In this way you have to solve in your notebook. I will send you PDF and then do it, not while seeing the video. Now the next question is 232 divided by 2. 232 divided by 2. Like this also you can solve the answer. How? In the table of 2, 2 into 1, 2. 0, again bring down 3. Again 2 into 1. 1 and then bring down 2. Now 2 into 6 it's 12. But your division, your place is not there. Let me do this place. Let's do again 232 divided by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 0. Bring down 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Then bring down 2. In the table of 2, 12 comes for how many times? 6 times 12. 0, 0. Question is 116, remainder is 0.